They help us to think about what movie we want to see next. But what about books? There are so many books to choose from. I wish they had a mini movie too.
That's a great idea. Books that have movies to tell us what they're about? Yes, they can. Books can have trailers, mini movies that help you decide if you really want to read the book.
Let's think about what we need to build a book trailer.
Remember, I said we're making a book trailer, not a trailer made of books or a trailer full of books. So, we don't need this kind of trailer.
When you were in grade 1, it was hard to choose the right book. You risked borrowing a book you don't like, or worse, it's boring. And that could be sad. We could stack up all the books and let the grade 1 student choose one, or we could make a book trailer. We could let the grade 1 student pull out all the books and make a big mess, or we could do a book trailer. So what do we need to make a book trailer? One of these, a laptop, PowerPoint, and thanks, picture book. We don't need no editing suite. Our laptop and PowerPoint can bring our books to life using the camera, animations, and transitions. Remember, we need a picture book, a laptop, PowerPoint software equals a book trailer.